Hi everyone, and welcome to It's Chow Time. My name's Chow, and today's recipe is lemonade. Lemonade is a refreshing drink that can be enjoyed any time of year. For this recipe, you're going to need water, lemons, and sugar. First, you want to juice your lemons. Cut your lemons in half and then juice them. Juice your lemons. Add water to the lemon juice in about a 3-to-1 ratio, so for every 1 cup of lemon juice you add 3 cups of water. You can add more water depending on how strong you want your lemonade to be. Also add 1/2 cup of sugar for every 4 cups that you make. This can also be adjusted depending on how sweet you want your lemonade to be. Mix well. And you're done. You can even add other things to your lemonade such as cherries or strawberries to add another flavor. Serve it up chilled or with ice cubes and you're ready to go. This has been Lemonade. If you like what you see or would like to see something else, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. My name is Chow and hope to see you next time on It's Chow Time.